And down that place we dey go. Like a particular side when like a waterfall, and here we dey go. So I don't see. There's also forest all over you see. Yeah. There we go. So I don't see why they sweat. You know, easy to forget gist. I don't see. Some apples they go do content out or somebody say, you know, sabi hold camera. Why you need a hold for me?
The place is so quite serene.
Magdad, how do you walk? Yeah. Without which? Without which? Without which are the place, eh? When I don't see how the place fine, eh? When I don't see how the place beautiful. Oh my god, look at the sweat. Look this environment, how they fine. Eh? I tell you, as a salologist, are there for showing the beauty, the salon, the natural resources that we will get in a salon. Not only my main course for good to do in the media. Lord showcase the country to the world.
This place
Without it, and the beautiful place.
anything you see there, I think you can.
Yes. I don't see yes, actually. Huh. This village, so this village was still they call law. Now the place is now one of the forest I was like when I don't see watch around. When I don't see watch. I might be able to talk too much because the road is very far, taking breath. So I don't see. When I can have something always anytime where you can something, you see certain things that you could detect in this particular place game in here. When I can watch. Go there. Anytime where you can watch, yeah. Anytime where you can something, you see this oil they up so. This oil you own at the sea, don't say, this thing here up so yeah. This dot here they so go there. Minimum there. So when I see. Actually, now in season time, this place you actually enjoy the nature, the water where they fall from this place here. But because of dry season, so we're not going to show now much how it can really perform. Now don't see. Kala can take on a tour. Now look at this. Then we are firing man, more firing man. Now don't see the oil really up. Anytime you see something, this thing is oil up so pata. That really the test is meaning at that particular place. Yeah, so at the crossover now. Yeah? You know? Welcome to Law. Oh, that's over now.
I will see say you don't for done.
You want to say salon carbon and let me say salon carbon at daytime. Now what if you have an angle salon carbon? Me salon is I tell you say where it's down when I go to salon fine. You get beautiful places there. You get tourist places there for visit. You need to go and tour. What a I could go see back. Long na see back salon. What the tell na see salon fine. Where do you go? How na go? Okay. Right. I'm loaded. Salon fine. Now that's time I could talk about here. Wow. Wow. No wonder the people they can't do mining at this village here. They don't give them nothing, they go just like that. And so this village here fine. Hey, that law where they preach on a lion, and we are going the law there. How on a pass? So Magic you able pass there. Yeah. So wait oh, this particular place where it is kayak club, eh?
Yes. You know where we play that?
How are they call this water right here?
Yeah,
Baku?
Baku, yes. We are Baku school. So now they call it because where they
Hey.
look at that one. When I tell you, you are carrying flow on top of this one. And I the
Go Baku.
This water that is 770.
Oh, this one is 770.
Yes.
Now you go take to 770.
How would it done?
Yeah. Baku. The man KPA, Mr. Victor, the pastor for Baku.
Okay.
So now the village, now the water name.
Yes.
Baku.
So from here,
The water.
yeah, I can dump. That's the way they put noisy. They fetch for go.
So what am I getting at? I can get this sound.
I don't get the dog. You reach sound.
So now,
I like dinner. I will go between the land.
wow.
So that's how God can make you mighty. You cut the stone.
Fish there,
Yes.
It cut the stone, me say.
Cut a minute.
The stone is cut me, though. Oh, wow, this place is fine, yeah. Okay, I just admire the place first. I don't forget first waiting for talk. I just admire the nature, the beauty, the environment, how the place clean, how the place fine. Look, this stone is big. Look, this kind of rock here. You know, sometimes we really need for travel, and we Minister of Tourism, and then they even travel visit this kind of place in Asaloya. They just say free time. I don't know more. Look this kind of nature place. Look this kind of beautiful place. They're organized. Watch that. Yeah, Salo fine here. Not on the next no more daytime. If I na daytime, so now they see so the finest. Oh no more now. Daytime, I mean they pass see the finest now. Now they enjoy so right now. But wait oh, during rain season, this water you not care about that village.
I saw not. You know the answer.
Ah.
You know the answer.
Okay.
At all.
Una can fish here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fish inside.
Yes.
Fish.
Yeah.
I go really want for car
Okay.
one day. One day I go find a rain season. I can't take this kind of picture where the rain they come in.
Yes.
How the water they manipulate now, how they function better I want see them. One day I go can do that video now. I will can do it.
You know where I go buy.
So wait Mr. Victor,
Yeah.
that village law now in town now inside this auto connect which here.
Yeah.
Well, I love village you big go. I just have small people they can't see there.
Yeah.
When I get any people there from that town where they come out there.
The people there.
Yes.
Yes.
I really hope they will count on our area, help on that's touch house, they give on a zinc. Because I'll just say anyone person and something 3 bundle go do for one.
3 bundle. Yeah.
3 bundle, one person go do for another village.
Yes.
You have 3 bundles. Come on.
3 bundle.
Go do for.
You got that 2 rooms.
Oh, people that are out there, let God touch some man their hearts, let them come in for help.
Inshallah.
Because it's not easy for Somalia left the city, can't live in a village.
In a village.
It take God in grace and mine.
Yeah.
Guys, come closer, come closer. Come. This particular village we are council law, not to form. Una ask anybody, people that they get knowledge about mining and also they get knowledge about minerals. Whenever you go some side, you see this oil here. You see the water get oil. When I see the water get oil, they go up. All over the oil take over. And they indicate mineral. Minerals are there. Not to fun.
This is a damophilous place.
Yes, this place here get mineral, not to fun.
They did to diamond. They demand diamond, sir.
Yes, just here. Watch. You see the oil where they up? You see the oil? This gold there. Where's the oil box on now? Gold.
They demand diamond.
Yes, this gold there.
Inside the coil, so they got you on top. Now rock the way they make the full sound again.
Look over.
Yes.
Mass here. The got you on top now, rock.
Now rock the under. Where the mass, the rock, the loose again. Go no more. Let me go explain to you.
Okay. From here till
The sound where they pull, but don't say where something go under.
yes.
Oh, yes. Yes. I don't understand. No. It's not like all on there. I watch someone like that. Yeah, the sound where they pull. Oh. It cannot be safe. What the fun of? Let's call it. Go on for shake so. It only they indicate that me for say something under, not to complete. Run here. Una see? Una hear it? Turn abaso. Come back, how the sound, let's get the sound. This not to honor a gun, this what map this so.
No, at all not. See?
Do you see?
You see? Hold it.
And the people like now drum.
Yeah, the sound.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah, they call it Shelmigo.
Shelmingo, yana Shelmingo.
Oh, so you're not Shemingo?
Yes. Nilo no dianda.
This village is not Shemingo.
Ah,
No, the water.
Oh, the water is not Shemingo.
Yeah, who can fishing?
now we see.
So go see the under. So go see the behind. This water about nearly 1 mile.
The water. Look
Yeah,
at
this.
show the water, but let me people that see say the water then this water not to from. So we don't reach now Shemingo. You ain't not beside this Shemingo water. We don't reach it. We there right now. Not also can pick you now. Wow, this is very nice. Okay.
Wala Shelmingo.
Thank you very much. So let's join me now. How can I go go body?
Yeah, wait, man.
Yeah, people that come for bank fire for day. Something is here. This girl is not ordinary. Something is here. So stay tuned, guys. Are they here for doing the correct dish? Ma, thank you. Love you. Yes, because it takes some man that will go now other man that you country. Now not like go do this one. If you not push it, she give them the need to do. But we not come, we don't accept we don't do videos and we not follow. We back show you some places there. We appreciate you now and we thank you very much. Yeah. The kindness we not show you, let us show you double. I really appreciate it as well. So let's just be around and see and take my picture, baby. You know what I mean?
Take it.